Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss VAT, and I would like to welcome you in mathematics session. Yesterday we have discussed on discount percentage, mark price and selling price. Today it is related to this less or more same topic also, but however we will discuss in details about VAT. Okay, first of all, please, what is VAT? I would like to ask you a question. What is VAT? Please, is there anybody to answer this question? Okay, simply VAT is an abbreviated form of value added tax. That means VAT is a kind of tax. It is an additional tax imposed on selling price. When an article is sold or when an article is bought in the market, the customer will have to pay VAT. So customer will have to pay VAT. That means the consumer pays the VAT. Listen to me, please. While buying and selling a goods, let's suppose that there is any goods and here is shopkeeper and here is a buyer. Okay, while here please, when the shopkeeper sells the goods, the price may be fixed to be a certain amount. That is called mark price. And while selling or buying goods, please, there can be discount also. The discount is deducted. When discount is deducted from the mark price, then you will get selling price. Yes, actually VAT is added on the selling price. Simply, the VAT is collected by the government, but always VAT is collected from the salesman, who sells the goods. From him or her, the government collects the VAT. But who actually pays the VAT? That you have to understand. VAT is paid by the buyer. The buyer will have to pay VAT. Do you know? So when the buyer will have to buy any goods or things, he or she will not pay selling price only. The shopkeeper or the salesman collect including VAT. Then only the customer's price will be determined. Then after only. I mean to say, the customer pays selling price as well as VAT. So when we go to market, when we buy goods or things, we will not pay exact selling price only. We will have to pay the VAT also. The VAT is an additional tax to the government. So this is the tax imposed by the government. The government collects the VAT, but through the shopkeeper. The government collects the VAT through the shopkeeper who sells the goods and things. From him the governments collect the VAT. Okay, my dear friends, I am going to give you an example. Let's suppose that we are going to buy a mobile. Okay, when we go to market, if you are going to buy a mobile, please, there will be a certain price fixed for it. How much is fixed? How much is determined or how much is listed on the mobile? That is called mark price. But we will not be ready to pay the same amount what is paid over there. So we will not be ready because we may not be ready, or the customers may not be ready to pay the same amount what is listed on it. Then how much is deducted from that? How much is less from that? The less amount or the deducted amount is called discount. How much can you reduce from the mark price? That is called discount. So actually mark price minus discount equal to actual selling price. You will get that we have already discussed in previous classes. So what is selling price? You are clear. Sometimes the mark price may be equal to selling price also. If there is no discount, you can't get any amount as a discount, then you will have to pay same amount what is fixed for the same. So that is sometimes there may be such condition. If discount is 0, if discount is null, at a time mark price and selling price can be same. But simply we have to understand in this way, mark price you are clear, then discount mean the amount deducted from the mark price, then you will get what? Selling price. After that, here will be government's presence. The government come here and the customers will not pay, selling price only. The customers will not pay the exact selling price only. So the customers will have to pay an additional amount, additional tax on the selling price. So that is called, the additional tax is called VAT, I said. So when VAT and selling price is added, the new amount what you will get, that is called customer's price. Or the customer will have to pay customer's price. Customer will have to pay the price of the goods selling price including VAT. So always when you have to find customer's price, the customer will not pay selling price only. So the customers will have to pay VAT also. The VAT plus selling price is equal to customer's price. Okay, normally we have to understand the VAT is not for the shopkeeper. The VAT is collected by the government. The VAT is collected by the government from the person who sells the goods or things. Sometimes we may have to express VAT in percentage also. Yesterday we have discussed that how to calculate discount percentage. Discount percentage, to calculate the discount percentage, you must know discount amount here. How much is discount? The discount amount must be known to find the discount percentage. Similarly, to find the VAT percentage, we must know the VAT amount. We must know the VAT amount. So VAT is calculated on selling price. VAT is added on selling price. So to find a VAT percentage, there must be selling price. Without selling price, we cannot find the VAT percentage. Simply we have to understand VAT amount is an additional amount on selling price. So selling price will be taken as base here. Then it is multiplied by 100. Then you will find VAT percentage. As we did before. Before what we have done, to find the discount percentage, we must have discount. Discount is deduction on mark price. So mark price is base here, but here selling price is base here. Please try to find the fundamental differences. Okay, this is the first. Okay, next thing please, sometime you may have to find a VAT amount also. VAT amount, how much is VAT? How much is VAT amount? To find a VAT amount, we must know VAT percentage. From the VAT percentage, we can find VAT amount. VAT percentage of, because VAT is calculated on selling price, I said. So here SP is taken as base. In case of discount percentage of mark price, to find the discount amount. Here in case of VAT percentage of selling price, to find the VAT amount. Okay students, here we have a simple question, very short question. This is only for the concept I have given you. Here it is said that actual selling price. Actual selling price, please. You should know what is the difference between actual selling price and mark price. The question is saying that the actual selling price of an article is rupees 5,000. This is the selling price, actual selling price. This is not mark price, be clear. And 12% VAT is added, or 12% VAT is collected by the government. The government collects VAT on selling price, I have already mentioned. So here the question is asking you to find a customer's price, or how much does a customer pay while buying the goods, that we have to find here. Yes, please let's go here, please. Here selling price. Selling price means actual selling price. You can write actual selling price also. Actual selling price, please. Actual selling price. What is actual selling price? Actual selling price means price after deducting discount. The price after discount is called actual selling price. But this time there is not given mark price, there is not given discount. Simply we have to understand this is the actual selling price, the real selling price, that is called rupees. How much? Rupees 5,000. This is the actual selling price. And VAT percentage, that is also called VAT rate, that is 12%, please. Well, you will have to find customer's price only. What is customer's price? I have already mentioned that customers will not pay selling price only. Customers will not pay the price for the article only. Again, the customer will have to pay VAT to the government also. So, when VAT is added to selling price, then the sum will be customer's price. So, first of all, you have to find VAT. How much is VAT? What is the amount of 12%? What is 12% means? So, here you can find VAT amount. Sometimes the question may ask you VAT amount only separately also. So, VAT amount, how can we get? That is from the VAT percentage we can get. So, VAT percentage of, please, what should be here? MP or SP? We know very well that VAT is calculated on selling price. So, you must write here SP. Then, VAT percentage 12%. 12% of selling price is here 5,000 given for you. Then, 12 to remove the percentage. Let's divide by 100. Then, 5,000. Okay, now you will get here 600 rupees. This is the VAT amount. Actually, I say that VAT is an additional amount. 600 rupees is again an additional payment for the government as a VAT. Then customer's price, we know. Customer's price. That is SP plus what we have to add? Selling price plus VAT amount. VAT amount, let's calculate here. Selling price 5,000 plus VAT is here 12%. 12% means 600. That rupees 5,600 is to be paid by the customer to the government. Okay, you'll have to understand in this way. Well, students, here this is a question that is related to VAT. Try to understand here VAT. Let's see, the price of a bike is marked to be 4,50,000. Marked to be rupees 4,50,000 means a bike is on sale in the market. The price of the bike is fixed to be rupees 4,50,000. This is the marked price. Marked to be rupees, that means rupees 4,50,000 means that is the marked price, or that is also called labeled price. But the customer doesn't pay 4,50,000. That is just fixed amount only. But what happened again? On the occasion of Christmas, on the occasion of this festival, Christmas is a festival, there is 20% discount. 20% discount is given there. Well, here we know very well that discount is deducted from the mark price. Then what you will get here? Selling price. We know. Yes, discount is the deduction. 20% discount is made on mark price. Then you will get finally what? Selling price. Again, according to the rules of the government, we need to pay 10% tax again. Finally, you will have to find the customer's price. For what? You have to begin from here. You just mention here mark price. Mark price. How much is mark price? Mark price of a bike. We can write MP. That is rupees 4,50,000. This is the mark price. According to the question, there is discount. What is discount percentage here? Discount percentage equal to 20%. Yes. Here is the question asking you to find discount amount separately? No. So here we don't need to find discount amount. So in this case, directly we can go to find selling price. The question is not asking you to find selling price, but we must have selling price to find VAT amount, because VAT amount is calculated with the help of selling price. So selling price is important here. So you must find selling price, but no need to find discount amount direct. Therefore, directly we can go from the process. I say that what? This is called 100%. Mark price is supposed to be 100% minus discount percentage is 20%. When discount is deducted, then you will get selling price, that is 80%. So this is the percentage of selling price. This is the percentage of discount. This is the percentage of mark price. Mark price minus discount equal to selling price. You will get. You should know this concept. From the concept, please, to make this question quicker and easier and short, we will have to write here directly 80% of MP we can write. This is for the quick method. 80 over 100 into MP is clear for you, 4,50,000. Then you can get here. Okay, let's calculate please. 80. Well, this is actual selling price. I have said you, please keep in your mind once again. We are not calculating here discount amount from discount percentage. Why? Because the question didn't mention you to find discount amount separately, but we will have to find here selling price. This step is important for you because the question is asking you to find customer's price. So to find customer's price, we need to have VAT, and again to find VAT we must have selling price. So we are going to calculate first of all selling price here. After that, now VAT percentage given for you. We need to pay 13% VAT. This is the selling price of the goods. Though its mark price is 4,50,000, this is selling price after deduction of 20% discount here. Well, now to find the customer's price, here the question said you that 13% VAT is again added. Always we know that customer's price, selling price mean actual selling price plus VAT. So here you will have to find how much is VAT you need to find. The question has given you 13% VAT. So let's find VAT amount. VAT amount first. VAT amount. How much VAT is paid? To find the VAT amount, VAT percentage you are given here. So from the VAT percentage you can find VAT amount. VAT amount equal to VAT percentage of, you need to write here selling price, you know very well, because VAT is calculated on selling price. Good. Then after this is 13% of VAT SP. Here we have got 3,60,000 you are given. Okay, this is VAT amount. We can get VAT amount from VAT percentage. 13% VAT. That is VAT percentage of selling price. You must write here selling price because selling price is the base for VAT percentage. So always you will have to find here VAT percentage. So here you have got VAT amount 46,800, that is the VAT amount. Therefore finally customer's price. Customer's price, that is equal to SP plus VAT. Means SP we have already found here. Then let's add VAT on it. Then only we will find the customer's price. That means 3,60,000 plus 46,800. You have to add the total amount, that will be the customer's price. Please, I just suggest you to complete this question. Okay, here is a question. It is little bit tough than the previous questions. Here this question is also related to discount. This question is related to VAT and finally mark price also. So here let's read the question very carefully. The question says that an article is sold at a discount of 20%. Means there is a discount percentage given for you. 20% discount is given, or 20% discount is allowed while selling the goods. Okay, simply we can understand please here. Discount is subtracted from the mark price. And the next thing, we are given here 20% discount. There may be a question, how much is discount given there? How much discount is given there? To find the discount amount from discount percentage, we must have mark price. So in the absence of mark price, we can't find discount amount. So we must have mark price here in this case, because the question has given you discount percentage, or when the question will be related to discount, there will be a question of, there will be required mark price. So here in this question, how much is the mark price of the goods? That's not given. So because of this one, we will have to suppose mark price here. Without mark price, we can't find discount amount in this case. So here you suppose that how much is mark price, you can suppose here. Mark price rupees X. Are you clear or not? Why we are supposing here? Because in the absence of mark price, we can't find discount amount from the discount percentage. When the question is related, question will be related to discount or discount percentage, you must search for mark price. So here we didn't get mark price here in this case, so we have supposed here. Well, after that, after we have got this one, we can find discount amount from discount percentage. So here discount amount. Discount amount we can get from discount percentage of mark price. That means here discount percentage, you are given here 20% of mark price is X. Then you will get X by 5. This is discount amount. Then after this step, you can find selling price. Yes, we know this one, mark price minus discount equal to selling price, or discount is deducted from mark price, then finally you will get what here? Selling price. So okay, mark price, you know, rupees X we have supposed, discount amount just we found here X by 5. When we simplify them, 4X by 5, this is the selling price. Okay, and again it is said that while this article is sold, 10% discount is added. 10% VAT is added, sorry. 10% VAT is added. When there will be VAT or VAT percentage, we must have selling price, because VAT is added on selling price. So VAT or VAT percentage source for selling price. Without this one, it doesn't exist, or I mean to say, we can't find the value of 10% here. It is important. So also we need to find here selling price. Why we are going to find selling price, that's also clear for you. Okay, and one more thing please, again one more thing, this time we can make it short also. We can make it short also. In place of this, all this process, we can do another short method also. We can go through another short method also. But right now please, I am going through the concept. Please, it will be easier for you also. Again, if needed, I can make you clear with another method also. Okay, well, we have got here selling price. Are you fine? Up to here you are clear? Yes, we have got here selling price. And now, okay, here 10% VAT is included. So VAT percentage equal to 10%. What is the value of 10% here? Let's find. You can find VAT amount. VAT amount is VAT percentage of, VAT amount is always calculated from VAT percentage. So here VAT percentage of, please what should be written here? VAT is always calculated on selling price. So you must write here SP. Then VAT percentage you are given here 10% of SP is of mean 4x by 5. That means 10 over 100 into 4x by 5. Well, finally what do we get here please? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 8x by 100. This is the VAT amount. Again, yes, after this step, we will get here customer's price. Customer's price means selling price, actual selling price plus VAT. That is called customer's price. What is the question asking you? The question has asked you to find customer's price, or how much does a customer pay, that you will have to find. That to find a customer's price, we are very much clear. Actual selling price plus VAT. Yes, and actual selling price, we know that 4x by 5. This is the actual selling price. VAT amount just before we have found that 8x by 100. And then customer's price, the question has given for you. How much is the customer price given for you? The question said that 40,000 is customer's price. Well, here one thing I would like to make you clear. The question has given you 40,000 as customer's price, but the question is asking you to find the mark price. We have supposed this one x. Always when we solve the problem, supposing some unknown fact, always you will have to go through the known fact. I mean to say, if you will have to find x. To find the value of x, you must get help of this known fact. This time customer's price is known for you. Customer's price is given by the question. So we found customer's price again, because this is known fact. To find the unknown fact, we need to go through known fact. So we are coming here in this step. Well, after this step, here you will get 100 LCM. LCM of 5 and 100, you will get 100. 100 is divided by 5. What is the quotient? 20, you will get 24 80x plus. This is LCM divided by 100. You will get 1. 1 into 8x. 8x. Finally, we have got 88x by 100. That is equal to 40,000. Yes, please, you can simplify now. You will get the value of x. That is the mark price. You have to find in this way. You can go through. But another one, there is another short and quick method for the same problem. This is one method, and another method also I will teach you that will be very short in comparison to this question. That's also, you listen to me very carefully. Okay, welcome back students. Please, once again for the same question, I am going to solve the same questions by the next method. I say that it will be easier, but you have to understand in better way. Well, here there is 20% discount. I have already said you that when there will be discount or discount percentage, there must be given mark price, or you will have to search for mark price. The question didn't mention how much is mark price. So let's suppose that the mark price is rupees x. This is mark price, we suppose here. Then to find the selling price, in a single step we can find selling price. Last time I said you that mark price minus discount equal to selling price. This concept you know very well. And then when we express in percentage, mark price is supposed to be 100%. Discount percentage is 20%. Then you will get 80%. This is the percentage of selling price I have already mentioned you. So here we can find selling price from the percentage of selling price. So here selling price equal to directly 80% of MP. You can write in a single step. Because we don't need to find here discount amount separately, but we must get selling price. This step is very important, so we are going to show the important step only. 80 over 100 into mark price is x. Finally, we have got here 4x by 5. This is selling price. Very short. Yes, in comparison to the previous step. Well, we have got here selling price. Again, the question has given you VAT percentage 10%. Yes, we are given here customer's price. We know how can we get customer's price? Customer's price is that is, we know that selling price plus VAT. When VAT is included on selling price, then only you will get customer's price. See, VAT percentage given for you. So VAT percentage is 10% and selling price is supposed to be 100%. Because VAT is added on selling price. VAT is 10% is going to be added on selling price. So this is supposed to be 100% this time. Here in the previous case, discount is going to be deducted from mark price, going to be deducted from here. So it is supposed to be 100%. But in the second case, VAT percentage is going to be added on selling price. So this is supposed to be 100%. Plus 10% when added, you will get 110%. 110% is customer's price percentage, the percentage of customer's price. So directly here you can write here customer's price equal to 100 plus 10, 110% of SP you will write here. If VAT percentage is 20, 100 plus 20, 120% of SP. If VAT is 13, then 100 plus 13 equal to 130% of SP you can write here. Customer's price you have got here 40,000, that is equal to 110 over 100 into SP. Yes. From the same place, this and this cancel, then you will get here cross multiplication 40,000 into 10 upon 11 comes down here SP. You will get here SP from here. Well, here please 110% of SP I said, yes, and then after in place of customer's price 40,000 you write here 110. How did we get that? You have understood writing. So 110 upon 100 of SP. SP given here 4x by 5 please. Yes, you simplify, you will get a value of X, that is X is mark price we suppose. Finally you can get mark price from here after simplification this one. Let's complete simplification yourself, you will get the same answer. So I suggest that this is short and quick method. Always you can go through an alternate method which is easier for you and which is short for you, and but all the essential steps must be clearly shown. Okay, this is the process I taught you. Some more problems we'll discuss in the next class please. This much for today, and then you can collect the questions related to this topic again in your book please. You can have enough practice and it will be easier for you. So if there is any confusion found after all, you can ask to me. Thank you very much.